HERMES PHARMA is the leading expert in the development and production of user-friendly oral dosage forms. We operate two state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities located in Austria and Germany. Both are specialized in handling moisture-sensitive materials, which is key for our dosage forms. We manufacture according to GMP for medicinal products and ISO for medical devices. And we follow international standards such as HACCP and IFS for food supplements. All of our production processes are highly automated, generating an output of more than 100 million packs per year. Annually, we weigh in almost 10,000 tons of raw materials in our automated weighing centres. Our modern blending equipment allows us to blend more than 30 tons of material per day. Granulates form the basis of our extremely stable effervescent products. We are renowned experts in vacuum granulation and use patented technologies such as topo and continuous flow. As a result, our effervescent products are less sensitive to humidity and high temperatures. By using hot melt coating, we can mask the unpleasant taste inherent to many APIs. This technology also enables us to modify the release profile of our products. We run a vast number of high-throughput tableting and filling machines to manufacture our effervescent and chewable tablets. In addition to filling them into tubes, we can also package these dosage forms using foil strips. Intelligent packaging equipment significantly increases the speed of our packaging processes. Our instant drinks consist of powders or effervescent granules. They are filled into sachets which are available in a range of sizes, then sealed and packaged in line. The great success and popularity of our orally disintegrating granules prompted us to invest in additional high-speed filling equipment for this modern dosage form. Our intelligent warehouses have a capacity of more than 20,000 pallets. They are fully automated for fast, safe and clean handling of all our products. At HERMES PHARMA, we have a long track record of pharmaceutical excellence. For more than 100 years, we have invested in technologies, processes and people to deliver innovative and high-quality pharmaceuticals and supplements to our customers. HERMES PHARMA. Get the dose right.